This side of the deck lid we skim coated with 3M Platinum Select. We used the 18-inch spreader, and as you can see, after one spread on this entire side and about 10 minutes of blocking, it's pretty nice. We've got to drag this out a little farther. We kind of ran out of filler there at the end, so we're going to kind of finish dragging that out to the edge. And then I've got a couple pinholes here. I've got a little bit of a low spot all along there. I've got a little bit of a low spot right there. And we're gonna probably just glaze this body line on this side because it's got a couple edges and there's a sharp edge there. So we're just gonna glaze that line a little bit, finish that out, and then this will be ready to prime. So as you can see, we've got it ready to prime. This side, doing it the way I did it and using the wide spreaders and the linear blocks, took me about an hour from start to finish, with letting the filler dry, everything included, about an hour start to finish. So this whole deck lid, I've got about 2 hours and 15 minutes in skimming and blocking the entire thing to be, I'll say, show car straight. Once I prime this, I don't really foresee having to reprime this because it's gonna be flat. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna start cutting it with 240 and work our way up to 500 before paint. This is gonna be black, and this is gonna be a nice car.